Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Coco and today I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing another vlog. This vlog is gonna be like a birthday preparation, like get ready with me for my birthday. So yeah, it is currently March the 29th. Okay, I know y'all probably saying, why are you getting ready for your birthday March 29th? Your birthday is in April. I do have a hair appointment tomorrow, so it's just gonna be 1 week before my birthday. It's just gonna be like 1 week before my birthday, so it's not even that serious. This was the only availability that the girl that does my hair, this was the closest that she had. So yes, I am letting somebody do my hair, because y'all know I do my hair myself. I don't like for people to be in my hair. I don't want nobody to touch my hair, but I just don't feel like doing my hair at all. Like, just the thought of me like standing up, my back hurting, me doing braids or even twists. The last hairstyle I did took me like 2 days and I was really tired from that. This year for my birthday, I kind of just want to sit back and relax. And yeah, so I found this girl on Instagram. Hopefully she does a great job. She has really good reviews and she posts her work on Instagram, so I was able to look at some of her pictures and her work looks really good. So I'm gonna let her do my hair. I'm really iffy when it comes to people in my hair, because the last time somebody was in my hair, they burnt my hair off and I had to do a big chop. My appointment is in the morning at 7:45 a.m. I should be done around 2 o'clock. So I might get up around 6:30, but I need to wash and blow dry my hair. Y'all see that I'm wearing this curly wig. Oh! So look, snatching this off. My hair, I literally took those twists out probably like 2-3 weeks ago, and my hair has just been braided down and I've just been wearing it like this. So I really need to hop in the shower. It is really late. I don't know why I waited the last minute to do this, but we're gonna make this easy on myself. We're not gonna make this complicated at all. I'm just gonna get in the shower and wash my hair. But yeah, I'm gonna hop in the shower, wash and blow dry my hair. I'll record a little bit. Y'all see my hair? We're just gonna wash it and I'm gonna blow dry it, so that can already be done. I'll probably come back when my hair is blow dried. Honestly, I don't feel like recording. I just want to like get to it because it's 9:22 and I'm getting sleepy. Okay guys, as you guys can see, I have blow dried my hair and I put it in some plaits so that it can stay detangled while I sleep. And in the morning, I'm just going to take these plaits out, brush my hair, and put it back into like a little bun or a ponytail. And yeah, it is currently 12:55 and I think I got in the shower around 9:30, so that's how long it took me to do my hair. My scalp is nice and clean. My hair feels so nice and so soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie my hair up, put my bonnet on. I'm gonna straighten up my room before I go to sleep, but I am gonna go to sleep in a minute because I gotta get up. I'm gonna get up around 6:30. Yeah, I'm gonna get up and wash my face, brush my teeth, do my skincare. Probably do like a light makeup look because I want to look pretty whenever I get done with my hair. Because you probably gonna want to take pictures of my hair and post it on Instagram, so I want to look good. But yeah, I'm so sleepy. I didn't go to sleep till like after 1, maybe like around 2. So I only had like 4 or 5 hours of sleep. Definitely gonna take a nap when I get home. But I'm up, and hopefully this is worth it. So yeah, I'll catch y'all when I get in the car. I'm ready to go. Let's get in the car. Y'all, I'm at Dunkin' Donuts right now, getting me an iced matcha latte and a sandwich so I can have something on my stomach. Hopefully I make it there in time. I texted her and told her I was on my way. It's like 7:25. So y'all, I got an iced matcha latte with vanilla, and then I got a croissant sandwich. So hopefully that, I shouldn't be hungry. Like, I really don't be eating like that anyways, but I shouldn't be hungry. So I'll probably see y'all when I get done doing my hair, when my hair is done. So bye bye. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at my hair. Can y'all see my hair? Look at my hair. It's so pretty. Like, wow. It's so pretty. So pretty. This is my hair. As y'all can see, it's so pretty. She did an amazing job. I'll talk to y'all when I get to the house. Okay, y'all, so I'm back home. Let me turn this TV down. My face is really oily. I'll probably take y'all into the bathroom. Let's go in the bathroom. I really love my hair. Like, she did a fabulous job on my hair. That concludes like this day of me like getting ready for my birthday. I'm not doing anything else. Maybe next week I'll go get my nails done and my toes, but as of right now I'm not doing anything else to prepare. So I'll see you guys when I do something else. So yeah, y'all see me sometime next week. Hey guys, today is Wednesday, April the 3rd. I'm gonna go get my nails done. The last time y'all saw me was when I got my hair done, which that was Saturday. I'm leaving Friday, going on vacation, Destin, Florida. So tomorrow when I get off work, I'm gonna go to Target. I may not need to even go to Target. Well, I do need to go to Target to get a couple of things, but I'm trying to find this bathing suit that I had, this one-piece bathing suit, but I can't find it anywhere. So I may need to get another bathing suit because I've outgrown all of my bathing suits. I no longer wear a small. I'm in the medium now. But yeah, I'm gonna go get my nails done. I just want something really simple. I'm not getting acrylic. I'm not getting SNS. I'll see y'all when I get to the nail shop. Y'all, why did I leave my camera at home? Like, I forgot it. But honestly, I couldn't really record like that anyways, because as soon as we got in, they started to go to work on my fingers. and my toes, so I wouldn't have been able to hold the camera anyways to show you guys. I had tried to get like a little bit of clips. I had tried to get some clips for y'all on my phone, but I don't know if those clips were good. But yeah, I just got something simple. So I got French tip on my hands, my fingers. This is SNS French tip. And then on my toes, y'all, this is my first time getting French tip on my toes. Look at my toes. Aren't they so cute? They're literally so cute. I like that they're simple. These are my natural nails. Right now, I really need to get like my outfits together or what I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna eat my Chick-fil-A. Got some Chick-fil-A. Have y'all seen that video? That girl going viral saying, "No Chick-fil-A sauce. Eliminate, eliminate." Anywho, I'm gonna eat my food. I may pick y'all up when I'm looking at my outfits. Okay guys, so I'm kind of gathering up like the clothes that I'm gonna be bringing. So let me show y'all what I have so far. What I have right here, these are like t-shirts, just random t-shirts. Shorts, so I'm bringing these. I'm bringing a white pair and a black pair. Over here I have, this is a skirt. I may wear this. Nike. It's like a little Nike workout crop top, but I was thinking maybe I could just like put my bathing suit under here since it's a little bit see-through. So I have like this lavender color one. I just have all of my bathing suits. So I have like a skirt, black bottoms, this like cheetah print, like a bantu top, one pieces, which I may just wear the one piece. One piece, this is a black one, and then I also have one in white, and that's what it looks like. I plan on just wearing dresses. It looks like this. I've worn this like probably like 2 times, but it's really long and I really love this dress. But this is from Shein and it looks like this. Y'all probably have seen this on Shein. But yeah, that's basically what like all the clothes I'm gonna bring. We're really only gonna be gone. I'm only gonna be gone for like 4 days, so I really don't need that much stuff. That's basically it. I'm gonna go to sleep. I actually gonna throw all this stuff in a duffel bag because I'm not gonna bring my suitcase. And I'll get the rest of my stuff together tomorrow, so I'll pick you guys back up tomorrow. Okay guys, so today is Thursday, April the 4th. I just got home from work. Well, actually, I went to Walmart and I picked up a couple of toiletry items and things that I think I would need on my trip. Let me set y'all up. My allergies are messing up and I'm gonna take an allergy pill, another one, so that we can nip this in the bud. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Walmart. I pretty much have like, as far as like clothes, I didn't buy any outfits for this trip. I did buy some swimsuit bottoms and I'm gonna show y'all. But as far as clothes, I didn't have to buy anything. I just needed a couple of hygiene products. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show y'all what I got. And this is gonna be really random. I'm literally just grabbing out of my bag. But the first thing I got was these little grab and go bottle thingies. And it comes with the labels. So I can put like my face wash, body wash in here, probably like, I don't know, like some of my skincare products. So I got this right here. Then I just got a toothbrush. I got a tongue scraper. Got some toothpaste. I got some lotion. So I got the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Lotion. Got another toothbrush. Little containers. I don't know what I'm gonna put in here. Got some baby wipes. Gotta have the baby wipes for the restroom. Motion sickness medicine, some Listerine. I got these black bottoms right here. I got these from Walmart and hopefully I can fit them. They're a medium, so I should be able to fit them. This little beach bag. When we go to the beach, it's just like a Cheeto one. Yeah, that's basically what I got from Walmart. guys, so I think I pretty much got almost everything packed. The only thing that I still need to like gather up and pack is like my laptop, all of my chargers, my iPad, my phone chargers. I guess all of my outfits are together. But yeah, it's getting late. I'm actually getting really sleepy, and normally I would be getting into bed. Right now it's like 9:30, but I need to take a shower. I'll probably come back one more time after I get done out of the shower and stuff, and I'll probably like, you know, close out this video. So I'll see y'all when I get done taking my shower and gathering up the rest of my things.